Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to loop a video for 10 hours. So all you have to do is open your browser and go to the 123apps.com. So in this website you can convert you can edit your video. So there is so many feature here. As you can see, there's a lot of feature, and all you have to do is just try to tap or click the video tools and try to search loop video, this one. Click it and you can open your file or your video in here. So it's my projects I took from another website. So all you have to do is make a loop here by custom this. So you can custom up to 16 times here. How to loop video, you can select area to loop on the timeline here. Activate the looping tool on the top panel and select the area on timeline. Specify the number of repeats below the timeline. You can go up to 16 times. Feel free to utilize the other tools on top panel. This one you can utilize, change resolution, flip, volume, speed, and so on. And also don't forget, here you can adjust the file format. And after you're done, you can save the video and download it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.